Do you want to see a sequel? A new Disney animated sequel. It's Frozen 2. Hey guys, it's me, Linda Lee. Tonight I'm here in Hollywood, California for the Frozen 2 world premiere. I'm so excited. Come on, let's go.
This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical. Whoa,
To believe that nearly 6 years ago, I was here in Hollywood Boulevard for my very first world premiere of the original Frozen movie. And now I'm here once again for the Frozen 2 world premiere. In this long-awaited sequel to the original 2013 animated film, Anna, Elsa, Kristoff, Olaf, and Sven leave Arendelle and travel to an ancient forest in an enchanted land to find the origin of Elsa's powers in order to save their kingdom. It's an epic new adventure with exciting new characters and 7 all-new original songs. Well, the filmmakers, talent, and special guests are coming down the carpet, so let's go see what they have to say. Come on, let's go. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. It's nice to meet you.
Do you ever find yourself doing the voice of Sven, like when you're around the house or in public?
Never to myself, but I make a lot of voice memos for like my mom's friends or my friends who have friends that have kids, and so I end up doing Sven a lot because I make voice memos for other people's kids.
This is the producer,
I'm
Peter.
the producer, and Jen is one of the directors and the screenwriter, and Chris is
the other director.
That's so cool. So, how much fun was it to make this movie?
I mean, it's the funnest part is because I get to work with these guys again and the cast and Bobby and Kristen Lopez. It's hard work. It's sometimes work where you're like, are we going to make it through this? But it's all worth it, and so I couldn't be more excited about where we got.
Well, thank you so much. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Thank you. When you found out that you were going to be in Frozen 2, what was your reaction?
I was, of course, very excited, and at the same time, I was doing Frozen on Broadway, so it was incredible to be in both worlds. It's just it's so amazing.
How can you relate to young Elsa?
I feel like me and young Elsa are the same because we're both older sisters, and we both have a really strong bond with with our sisters and stuff. And it's just incredible to think that it's just I don't even have words. It's just so amazing.
How was your reaction when you found out that you were going to play young Anna?
It was I was screaming and crying, and actually my brother and my mom bought 2 young Anna dolls for me, and they sat them on my bed, so they didn't tell me, but I found out myself, and it was just amazing.
How do you relate to young Anna?
I think we're both really fun and have a fun personality, and sometimes sarcastic because I'm a little sarcastic sometimes. But yeah, I think we're very on the roof a lot.
Hi.
Hey, nice to meet you.
I'm good. How are you?
We're excited. I'm a little hot. I wore purple velvet today.
Purple is the hottest of velvet fabric.
So, you guys made the music for Frozen 2 and Frozen. That's really cool.
Do you sing? Do you write songs?
Yeah, kinda. I sing, but I don't really write songs that much.
I didn't write songs till I was in my 20s, but when I look back on it, I think I could have written songs. I was just scared of it because I didn't see any other girls that wrote songs. But now you've seen a girl, a woman, who writes songs,
yeah,
no
who
excuse.
loves it. And so now you're going to go home, and you're going to think of a melody, you're going to write a little lyric, and you're going to be like, Mom, I'm a songwriter. I'm a songwriter. Stand it. Say it proud. I'm a songwriter.
Okay. What do you think is this film's Let It Go song?
We're hoping all 7 of the songs are Let It Go, actually. We do have 2 big Elsa songs. Into the Unknown is about that moment where your gut is trying to tell you something and you're trying to ignore it because it means change and it means facing something scary, going into something you don't know. But that's really how we grow, right? If you're I always wanted to be an ice skater, but look at all those ice skaters who fall. But that call is please, I'm just gonna try ice skating once. You kind of gotta go out and fall on the ice. That's the only way you learn. And that's really Into the Unknown is Elsa going, I wish I could be an ice skater. Not literally, but her wanting to grow and learn.
Can you tell us about your character in this movie?
I play Ryder, who's a new character, and he lives out in the woods, and he basically is excited to get to meet Anna and Elsa and all these people that he never knew existed before this movie.
I have a question from a girl named Ashley who is, I think, 9 years old.
Okay.
So, is Ryder going to be as important as the other people in Frozen?
I mean, I certainly think so. I think, you know, big or small, everybody sort of plays their role, and you know, he tries to help out Kristoff a little bit, and I think it's important to Kristoff. So even if he's not the one who saves the whole day, he tries to help out as best as he can. That's all any of us can do.
Yeah, like I kind of was like, oh, I feel like Ryder and Kristoff would like become friends. Like
Yeah.
they both seem like they have like kind of like the same personality.
Yeah, they're both very
like-
nice and good
Yeah.
people, and they both really like reindeer.
Yeah. Can you tell us about the short film Myth?
So, Myth of Frozen Tales, a VR short film based in the world of Frozen. So all the elemental spirits are in it. So the Nock, the Earth Giants, Salamander, Gale. And so, yeah, and you're in it with them. They're right here by you, and you look all around. It's pretty incredible.
How long did it take you to make the short film?
We made it in about a year. So we started about this time last year. Jen Lee approached me and asked me if I'd be interested in doing a VR film in the world of Frozen. So it took about a year, and now we're premiering it here tonight. So I hope you get a chance to come and check it out.
What Frozen character do you think that you relate to most?
Oh, God, that's a good question. Maybe Kristoff, because I'm a little goofy. You know what I mean? Like, my heart is usually in the right place, but I'm kind of awkward in getting there. And I think that's kind of Kristoff. His heart's always in the right place. He has a deep affection for Anna, but he can't figure out how he's actually going to communicate that.
What was your favorite like moment in the first Frozen movie?
Oh, that's a tough question, too. You know, I love Olaf as a character. So In Summer is such a great song. I feel that moment. But for me, Let It Go is kind of that moment. You know, when you see Elsa, she's out there and she builds that ice castle, and all the work that went into creating that in terms of what the animators had to do. For me, I always get very emotional when I see that part of the film.
Who in Frozen 2 do you think that you relate to the most?
I would say maybe Anna, because she's very adventurous and I love adventure, and just everything she does, I really look up to her.
So, which Frozen character do you think you relate to most?
Can you name some for me?
Let's see. Olaf.
Now I'm interviewing you.
Yeah.
I love Olaf. Olaf is just my mood. He's always happy, and I love staying positive.
Oh, Olaf. He's hilarious. I'd say Olaf.
I was just kind of guessing.
I think I'm gonna do Olaf because he's funny, he's sweet, and he's short, and I'm short.
Yeah, Olaf I think would be like kind of me.
Yeah, definitely.
I feel like I'm agreeing with you, but I'm so serious. I think I would say Olaf too, because like Olaf, he's just so lively of character and energetic all the time, and there's never like a time when you see Olaf relax, which is crazy. So I would definitely think we two Olafs combined is crazy.
Yeah.
What a magical night. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. And who knows, maybe in another 6 years, we'll be back here for Frozen 3. On the scene for the world premiere of Disney's Frozen 2 in Hollywood, California, I'm Linda Leith. Make sure to watch Frozen 2 in theaters on November 22nd. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Love you. Bye.
Show yourself. I'm dying to meet you. Show yourself. It's your turn. Are you the one I've been looking for all of my life?